Another Michelin Guide recognized spot in Makati? Let's see if it's worth the hype. So, pinuntahan ko yung Aidas Bacolod Chicken House sa Makati mga last month. Yes, that Aidas included in the Michelin Guide. Nasa lower ground floor lang siya ng Makati Cinema Square. Medyo tago, pero madali namang hanapin. Don't expect fancy interiors. This is a no-frills, straight-to-the-point Filipino eatery. Simple tables, casual setup, all focus na sa grill. Of course, ang in-order ko yung chicken inasal nila. Trinay ko parehas, the pecho and paa. Because if you're testing inasal, you go all in. First bite, the paa, tender, juicy, smoky, that signature Bacolod-style char hits right away. This one, panalo for me. Now, the pecho. Flavor is there, smoky, well-marinated, but texture-wise, slightly dry for my preference. Not bad, just not as juicy as the paa. Portions are generous and the flavor is legit delicious. You'll understand why it made to the Michelin Guide list. Pro tip, go early kasi madaming tao during lunchtime since the recognition. Mas marami ng curious diners. On a steak, masarap talaga. But taste-wise, I'd say you can find similar quality inasal in other spots around the metro too. So the real question is, Michelin recognized? Yes. But would you line up for it?